In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer invoices in Xero in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, mastering this process will save you time and streamline your financial management. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Xero's official website and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to set one up, but I assume most of you watching are ready to hit the ground running. Once you're on the login page, enter your email and password. If you happen to have any trouble remembering your details, Xero offers easy recovery options. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your control center where you can navigate to different areas of Xero. Next, locate the Business tab. It's typically found on the main navigation bar. Click on it and then head down to the Invoices section. This is the hub for managing all your invoicing tasks. Now that you're in the Invoices section, you'll want to look for the Import option. This is usually located towards the top of the page. Click on Import and you'll be taken to a new section that allows you to manage your invoice imports. In this section, Xero provides you with a handy template specifically designed for importing invoices. If you don't have a CSV file ready, download this template. This template is crucial because it guides you on how to format your data correctly, ensuring the import process is smooth and error-free. Once you have your template, open it and copy your invoice data into it. Make sure you fill in all the necessary fields accurately. If you've already prepared your invoices in your own CSV file, and it aligns with Xero's formatting guidelines, you're already a step ahead. With your data correctly formatted, it's time to upload your file. Click on the Browse button to locate your file on your device. Navigate to where your file is saved, select it, and hit Open. You'll see the file name appear next to the Browse button, which indicates that your file is successfully selected. Finally, upload the file into Xero by clicking on the Upload button. Double check that everything seems correct in the preview. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Import. Xero will then process your invoices and integrate them into your system. This import feature is particularly helpful for saving time with batch uploads, minimizing manual entry, and reducing the chances of errors. And that's it. You've now successfully imported customer invoices into Xero. This method is not only quick, but ensures accuracy and efficiency in managing your finances. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips and tricks on optimizing your use of Xero and other software tools.